spiritual support, contributing to the Bhagavad Katha journey.
भक्ति मार्गमा जितने संस्थाएं श्रीमद् भागवत 7 दिन का महापुराण लगाते हैं ना, उससे कुछ प्राप्ति होता है कि धन इकट्ठा करने का माध्यम मात्र भी है।
Student, all the institutions of the path of bhakti organize a 7 days Srimad Bhagavad Mahapuran recitation, don't they? Does anyone achieve anything from it, or is it just a means to collect wealth?
भक्ति मार्ग में जितनी भी भक्ति करते रहे 63 जन्म प्राप्ति हुई।
Baba, no matter to what extent people kept doing bhakti in the path of bhakti for 63 births, did they make attainments?
हुई।
Did they?
हुई तो पूछने की क्या जरूरत?
Did they? Student replies, what is the necessity to ask then?
भक्ति मार्ग में जो कुछ भी करते रहे, चाहे भागवत ही कथा बैठाते रहे, उससे कोई प्राप्ति नहीं हुई।
Whatever they kept doing in the path of bhakti, even if they organized a Bhagavad Katha recitation, they made no attainments from them.
अभी प्रैक्टिकल में संगम युग में जितना हम भागवत प्रैक्टिकल करने और कराने में सहयोगी बनते हैं, उससे प्राप्ति है।
Now, in the confluence age, the more we become cooperative in doing and having Bhagavad done in practice, we make attainments from it.
क्या?
What?
मान लो कोई कन्या सरेंडर होने गई भाग करके अपने घर से।
Suppose a maiden went to a center to get surrendered by running away from her home.
भागवत हुई ना, गई, वो हिम्मत उल्लास करके गई।
It was a Bhagavad, wasn't it? She left. She braced herself with courage and enthusiasm and left her house.
और वहां जाने के बाद जो माताएं हैं सहयोग देने वाली, उन्होंने कहा हमें तो घर का काम, हम तो जल्दी जा रहे।
And after reaching there, meaning the center, the mothers who helped her said, I have household work, I have to rush.
तुम सरेंडर होती रहे ना, हो तो हो, ना हो तो ना हो।
Get surrendered somehow. Get surrendered if you can, don't if you can't.
वो ठंडी हो गई और वापस आ गई।
She, that is the maiden, cooled off and went back to her house.
वापस आने के बाद अब उसका दिल ही टूट गया, बैठ गई।
After going back, her heart is broken now. She gave up.
तो भागवत में सहयोगी बने या असहयोगी बने?
So, did she, that is the mother, become cooperative, or did she become uncooperative in having the Bhagavad done?
क्या बने?
What did she become?
असहयोगी हो गए।
She became uncooperative.
अरे गैया हैं, गैया को वो तो जानवर गैयों के लिए कितना 63 जन्म मरते रहे, गौ हत्या न हो जाए हमसे।
Are, they are cows. Cows are. People cared so much for animal cows in the 63 births, saying, we shouldn't kill a cow.
बड़ा भारी पाप हो जाएगा।
We will burden ourselves with a grave sin.
अरे वो तो जानवर है, उसके लिए क्या बात है?
Are, those are animals. It isn't about them.
ये तो ह्यूमन गैया हैं। अगर वो ईश्वरीय कार्य में सरेंडर नहीं होंगी तो उनकी शादी जरूर करा देंगे।
These ones, that is maidens, are human cows. If they don't get surrendered in Ishwariya service, they, that is their family members, will definitely marry them off.
तो हत्या हुई कि नहीं?
So, is it killing cows or not?
हुई, गौ हत्या हो गई।
It is. It is killing cows.